Boleh lah.
Sikit, letak sikit.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
We are doing.
Before that, you
Dah tu kau dah the whole word.
this thing belongs to Sharifah. Okay, so I do it from here and after that.
Dia ni dia every time kalau training dia I'm going to present to you the explanatory video of the PPT which is it consists of short as you can see there's the inner component as well as the outer component. That's it.
C1, big one. C1, eh? Okay.
Well, we feel